Have you ever wondered just how secure your business emails are? In today's world of cyber threats, ensuring the safety of your email communications is critical. You might be thinking, how can I protect my emails from hackers, phishing, and spoofing attacks? The answer lies in something called MIME certificates, secure, multi-purpose internet mail extensions. These powerful tools can encrypt your emails, ensuring that only the intended recipient can read them. But with so many options available, how do you choose the right one for your business? Let's take a deep dive into the world of MIME certificates and explore the best providers to help you find the perfect fit for your email security needs. What exactly is an MIME certificate? In simple terms, an MIME certificate is a digital credential that links your public encryption key to your identity. Think of it like your email's digital ID card. It proves who you are and allows others to send you encrypted messages that only you can decrypt. This process helps keep your emails secure and ensures that only the intended recipient can read your sensitive information. MIME certificates are issued by a trusted third party known as a certificate authority, CA. These certificates also authenticate your identity, preventing attackers from impersonating you or engaging in fraudulent activity like phishing or spoofing. By the end of this video, you'll be equipped with all the knowledge you need to choose the best MIME certificate provider for your business, ensuring your email communications remain secure and trustworthy. 1. DigiCert. Enterprise-grade security for unmatched trust. First up, we have DigiCert, one of the biggest names in the digital certificate industry. When you think of top-tier certificates, DigiCert is often at the top of the list. If you're running a large enterprise or you operate in a highly regulated industry, DigiCert is the go-to provider for you. DigiCert is known for providing enterprise-grade security with some of the highest validation levels in the industry. They offer certificates that are perfect for large companies that need to ensure both secure and scalable email encryption. For instance, they provide extended validation, EV, certificates that not only encrypt your emails but also display your organization's name in the email client, offering recipients an additional layer of trust. They also offer robust management tools that allow businesses to efficiently manage and deploy certificates across thousands of employees. With DigiCert certificates, you can ensure that your email communications are protected to the highest standard, whether you're handling sensitive financial data, personal health information, or government communications. Example: like buying a luxury car. When you choose DigiCert, you're investing in premium performance, exceptional support, and the most advanced encryption technology. Just like you'd invest in a luxury car that gives you unmatched reliability, safety, and high-end features. Who should use it? Large enterprises, financial institutions, healthcare providers, and anyone who needs top-tier security for their email communications. 2. Sectigo, formerly Komodo. Your budget-friendly, reliable partner. Next up is Sectigo, previously known as Komodo CA. If you're on a budget but still want solid protection, Sectigo might just be your best option. Sectigo is a very popular choice among businesses of all sizes, especially small and medium-sized businesses, SMBs, looking for affordable email security solutions without compromising on core features. Sectigo offers a wide MIME certificates, including individual, organizational, and even multi-domain options. They're known for their affordable pricing and good automation tools, making them an excellent choice for startups or SMBs that need a reliable and cost-effective solution for their email encryption needs. Their certificate management system also allows you to automate certificate renewals and deployments, making it a hassle-free option for businesses that may not have a dedicated IT team. Despite the lower cost, Sectigo's certificates still provide strong encryption and are trusted by most email clients around the world. Example: like choosing a reliable sedan. Sectigo offers solid performance and value for money, much like a dependable sedan. It gets you where you need to go safely and efficiently without the premium price tag of a luxury option. Who should use it? Small businesses, startups, and anyone looking for affordable and reliable email security. 3. Global Sign. An international focus for global reach. For businesses that operate globally, GlobalSign is an excellent choice. With a strong presence in over 180 countries and multi-language support, GlobalSign is known for its international reach and the ability to support businesses that have teams or clients across multiple countries. One of the standout features of GlobalSign is its multi-language support, which is crucial for international operations. Whether you're working with teams in Europe, Asia, or North America, GlobalSign ensures that your email security solution is recognized and trusted globally. In addition to their robust email encryption solutions, they also offer security solutions for IoT devices, which is ideal if you're looking to secure more than just emails. Example: like having a passport that works everywhere. GlobalSign's certificates are recognized globally, much like how a passport allows you to travel across borders without issues. Who should use it? Global businesses, international teams, and anyone who needs to ensure secure communication across multiple countries and languages. 4. IDEN Trust. Banking-grade standards for high assurance. IDEN Trust is a key player in industries where trust and compliance are paramount, especially for the financial sector. If you work in a regulated environment like banking or insurance, IDEN Trust offers some of the highest levels of security and trust available. IDEN Trust provides banking-grade security with certificates that meet some of the most stringent standards in the industry. Their certificates are widely used by financial institutions for secure email communication, digital signatures, and transaction protection. Their certificates are also pre-approved for use in certain financial networks, making them a go-to choice for anyone in the financial services industry. Example: like getting bank-level security. With IDEN Trust, you're getting the same level of protection as the banking industry, which is trusted by millions worldwide. Who should use it? Banks, credit unions, financial institutions, and any business within a highly regulated financial or legal sector. Now, if you're ready to strengthen your cybersecurity skills and protect yourself online, I have a free resource for you. Download our free security checklist at Teleris.com. It's packed with simple, actionable steps to help you stay safe and build your knowledge. Want more personalized help? You can request a free consultation with our cybersecurity experts. Or if you're curious how Teleris works in real time, request for a demo to see how Teleris AI agents work. Now let's get back to the business of the day. 5. Entrust. Government and enterprise security specialists. Last but not least, we have Entrust. This provider is known for its focus on government-grade security and solutions for large enterprises. Entrust is a leading provider of identity and security solutions, and their MIME certificates are trusted by governments and organizations in highly regulated sectors like defense, government, and healthcare. Entrust offers solutions that meet federal compliance standards like FIPS and NIST, making them ideal for government contractors and agencies. They also provide a full public key infrastructure (PKI) solution, which means they offer end-to-end encryption and identity management, not just individual certificates. Example: like securing military-grade protection for your communications. Entrust certificates are built for maximum resilience and compliance, ensuring that your communications are safe and trusted, even in the most sensitive environments. Who should use it? Government agencies, defense contractors, large enterprises, and anyone who requires high security compliance for email communication. Choosing the right provider will ensure that your emails stay secure and your identity remains protected. Let me know in the comments which provider you think is best suited for your business. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on keeping your digital life secure. Stay safe, and I'll see you in the next